You want to go
Hey
see a fertility expert?
YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some, Michaela, I am recording. We're about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. I have my sister here, special guest. I was in the middle of doing my hair, as you can see. She needs her hair done, so I stopped doing my hair to do hers.
I need you to not to yank it off like that again.
You said what?
I'm gonna need you not to yank that bonnet off like that again.
Anyways, so you gotta, where you want your part?
Like right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm about to make her look like me. Stormy, you look like mommy, sweetie. She is doing, why does this not look like a side part? Why do you like them? You like those wiggy looking side parts. It don't be all the way over.
And what about it?
Oh, okay, so you do like this, okay. Damn near the middle part. Okay, anyways, making her.
I think I still got a braid left in there. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, Michaela, what the fuck? I mean, freak.
There's really one stuck in there?
Oh my gosh.
Ow.
Sorry. Don't say ow. I'm just like, that'll be so messed up. Man, you making me
Gotta
look
crop
bad.
that out.
No, for real.
Cut.
Hey, make sure you edit that out. But yes, it is HAIRtober, and I don't want you guys to miss any type of hair content, so I'm bringing it all to you. We are doing my go-to style, which is the braided 2 buns. She wanted to look like mommy, so yeah.
I just didn't want to do my hair, y'all.
No, she wanted to look like me.
I did it first, but with twists.
When? Because what?
Since ever.
I've been doing this since you were born. You actually did do it first. You're right. Okay, whatever. But not the buns. You were just braided.
Yeah, all the way down.
Okay, so you weren't doing it first.
But I gave you the idea.
They always want to be the first ones. I bet my breath stink. My fault.
It ain't your breath.
Oh my gosh, my body stinks.
Body yada 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 yada.
You for real?
No.
Oh. Oh my god. So we're about to go in, moisturize her hair, and then yeah. We'll be using the Emerge products because that's what I have left in my, what's it called? My drawer. I like to detangle and moisturize in sections. So that's what we're doing now. I'm gonna speed you guys up though, of course. So yeah, toodles. Girl, give me that. Girl, give me that. Oh, girl, give me that. Can you turn your brightness up? Nobody can see that. How am I supposed to be a nosy hairstyle? I can't see it.
Maybe stop being nosy. Hey YouTube, and welcome back. Well, if y'all ever want to be bald head, come to Shawn.
Bro, no. She didn't properly do her hair after she took those twists out. Don't let...
Yes, I did.
No, you did not, because you still had twists in your hair.
I only had one so far.
It doesn't matter. That's how I know you didn't properly detangle your hair before you washed it.
But I did.
Did you detangle your hair before you washed it? No, you did not.
How you gonna tell me?
Because I'm looking at it and I'm doing it, and I know you didn't.
You don't know me. You don't know my struggles. You don't know what I've been through. You don't know how I did my hair.
Okay. You want to do your own hair?
I mean,
I already did the hard part.
Right. I was about to say
I parted it. I detangled it. All you gotta do is that ass twisted or braided.
Exactly. I'm just like, one little patch left. Go ahead.
Like, you sure? Like, I mean, that's how you feeling. I mean, I can.
Yeah.
If it's not leaking, you're not doing it right. If you put your hair up, it wouldn't drip as much. Oh my god, why does everybody do the same thing when I'm doing their hair in videos? I'm starting to think it's y'all.
There's a common denominator.
Yeah.
And it's not us.
Getting y'all hair done.
I mean, maybe we just take your time, stop being so aggressive.
Are you allergic?
Yup.
Stop looking. You're not.
Let me read it.
Oh my gosh, it's avocado oil.
I got a sensitivity to vitamin E. Alright.
Please don't break out.
I was about to say, we on camera too. I got my proof.
I can easily cut that out, edit that out. What do you mean?
I'm suing. Got your DNA all over me.
Yeah. Oh wait, what? Wait, did you say I got your DNA all over me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I was about to say yeah, and I got yours on me, but yeah.
I'm on our plates on the court.
Anyways, using an eco styler.
You forgot the 10 times moisturizing.
So you trying to say my subscribers don't know how to read? Because they do.
Okay, but I'm saying, like, when I'm watching YouTube, I'd rather you just go ahead and tell me. So I don't have to sit there and pause. Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Yeah,
I know you went to Target.
That was a video from last year.
Around this time.
Get out my face. Oh my god. So I'm loading the hair down.
With the Eco Styling Super Olive.
It's not called eco styling. Huh.
Professional Styling Gel.
It's called eco styler.
It's still styling.
Okay. So we got this side. About to do it to the next side, and we will be back. I'm gonna tint her edges, y'all. I've actually been doing good on other people's hair before mine. Why are you looking? Wait. Okay, fuck. I forgot how to do this. Okay. Look at her little baby hair swinging.
Scratching my whole damn forehead.
Huh?
Nothing.
You said scratching your whole forehead? No, I'll be red after I do mine.
I guess if it ain't red, then it's dead.
Okay. Look at you rhyming. Okay, yeah, I think the other side is what I do good at. This side,
Now you have a better side on somebody else's head.
I think with edges that makes sense. People didn't come for your funny
Yes,
commentary.
Let's be real. Why you breathing so hard?
Cause I was holding my breath, man. This shit hard. Bro, shut up. Okay, I can't. I can't do that to him. Let me see. Look at me. Yes. Okay, hold on. Look, good. Give it. Just come back up. Just come back up. We gonna put that shit back.
Just.
Why you have me out here doing your hair like?
No, ever in your life. About to edit that whole part out.
I'm not. I gotta keep it in. Gotta be truthful with my subscribers. Oh, you should tell them to subscribe, my channel.
Make sure you subscribe to her channel.
Why did that take so much stress? Okay, we about to start braiding because I'm over it.
Shawn.
That's it.
That's your name, right?
For me anymore. I'm saying you said it like you was forced to say it like I said you get a free hairstyle if you promote my videos. Like
I mean,
this wasn't free. You got me Sonic.
I fed you, so I really don't think I needed to say that.
Do you like yours braided all the way down, or do you need more hair out? Like, do you braid it like I can braid it down here and then bun it? Did you have more hair than I do, or do you want me to stop right here? Bitch, by choice, not forced. Now, what do you want me to do before I disconnect this braid all the way and start over?
I'm not good under pressure.
Hurry up. I'm saying, do you want more?
You can do
I'm
more braid.
I already decided that. I didn't need you. Just tell me.
I really don't like your customer service, if you're being honest.
You just... Okay.
How you know I wanted to wash my clothes tonight?
I would hope so, Corona. Okay, I'm gonna braid it all the way down, and then you gonna take it out, or?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. Yeah. Wait, record on your phone. Get your phone and record your uniform, bro. Do it long ways though. Okay, turn it. No, turn it. Yeah, and then. No, what are you doing? Turn it long. No, like this. How you see my phone? No, don't video. I want a video. I mean a video.
This is a video.
Turn the whole phone.
This way?
Do you see how my phone is hot dog? I mean hamburger, hot dog, hamburger.
That shit. You said long way, which is up and down.
Okay, and if I'm keep trying to tell you to turn it the right way, why you keep flipping the camera on us? Record the shit, bro. Hurry up. No, long the other way. You gotta make sure that's on. You gotta make Michaela, lift it up and make sure that yes, now it's recording. Record your pants. That's it. Just record your pants.
I just tried to record my pants and you said lift it up.
Michaela, exit out. You got my floor all up in the shades. Like, oh my god. You got my gum disintegrating. Don't look at me. I'm struggling. Okay, this the big one. Okay. And over because you keep messing it up.
No,
maybe I would. Please say it, because yes, maybe I should not be doing hair. You're right.
I wasn't gonna say that.
No, but that's what I want you to say. Maybe I should not be doing other people's hair.
That's not what I'm gonna say.
What you gonna say?
Nothing. My mama said if I don't got nothing nice to say, don't say that at all.
Don't ever ask me to do your hair ever again.
Same time next week.
Yeah. Oh, it's my fault that you don't know what to say because you don't watch my videos.
Yes, I do.
Say, love you guys. Bye.
Love you guys. Bye.